You're all I need. You're all I see when I close my eyes and dream. You're all I see. You're all I need, all I need, all I need.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Yes. So, stayed the night at the Glenshee Ski Centre. Little motorhome stop, high up in the Cairngorms. Murky day. Bit of drizzle. Nice. Let these little pair of Herberts out for a little stroll before we set off. Really lovely park up, nice night's sleep, nice and peaceful. There's been a few hikers up here this morning, they've all gone off up the hills there. Yeah, I think there's £3. There is electric if you want electric. I think it's, what was it? 10, no, was it 10?
£10.
With electric. There's a caravan park just up the road in Balmoral that allows you to empty your cassette for £5, but we don't need any of the above. So it's Sunday, the ticket desk isn't open, nothing's open, there's no snow yet. There's a cafe in the corner, toilets, they were open last night, closed about 8 o'clock. Yeah.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Little motorhome only spaces with a car in it for some reason. Anyway, £10 to park here for all day or all night, so that's all right. And this is Balmoral Castle. Tight. The River Dee, we've followed that all the way along from where we parked up last night at Glenshee. Lovely drive through. Got all the autumnal colours coming out. All the trees starting to turn red, the old leaves. This time of year it's free. Come on in. No free entry this time of year, free to roam around as long as you like. The shops and cafe and everything will close at 4. Apart from that, we're free to walk around and enjoy it. We'll go down the bottom and get a picture, but you know what'll happen. Pillars, they're all, all like antlers? No, I don't know. Yeah. The antlers have them little knobbly bobbles on, don't they? Look at this. Taxus baccata, planted on the 80th birthday of Her Majesty Queen Victoria, May 24th, 1899. It was 3'2" when they planted it. It's not grown much in that time.
No, it hasn't, it's not a very tall tree then.
Obviously not. Yeah, the cottage are pillars, look at them there.
Yeah. Yeah, they're a bit like antler type of.
Yeah. And trees, who knows?
Lovely, yeah.
another cottage for the groundskeepers, the gardeners. And when the gardener's got a bit of time away from tending to all of that, I guess he relaxes in his little cottage and practices his golf. I mean, why not? Only one. Well, a bit behind. Flowers will be here for a long time, but I thought we'd keep alive, we'll keep sending them. Sure there'll be a lot. The leaves falling from the trees.